so freaking cute. Woo. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Maya if you are new here, and today's video is going to be, as you can tell by the title, a hair tutorial ish. I saw two creators on TikTok do this hairstyle. I'm probably gonna like kind of make it my own a little bit. I'm gonna try to anyway, but I will tag them or like put their TikTok handles on the screen somewhere. But the first girl that I saw on TikTok, I immediately said like, yo, I want to retry that, and I screenshotted it right here. I screenshotted it. See that? It says I screenshotted it. Look at that hairstyle. It's so freaking cute. So I was gonna do it like that, and then today, today's Sunday, by the way. So today I just saw another girl do it. She's got blue hair. How freaking cute. So yeah, I'm trying to hop on this trend too, especially with Valentine's Day coming. I know a lot of people are going to be using this hairstyle, if nothing more than just like for Instagram pictures or for TikToks, or you know you got those baddies that like to do it up, so you might see it out in public too. But anyways, I'm just going to jump right into this video, and I'm going to be starting out with a little bit of hair mist, and this is just water and conditioner, just to like keep my hair moisturized and feeling good. I think I want to do, instead of the swoop like the first girl's was, I think I just want to have like a couple of bangs in the front like that. So let me pull those out, and then we're gonna split. My hair's already split down the middle. I'm just gonna take this top half of my hair and put that up. Do I want to have? Yeah, let's do the little with those. And by the way, for any other girls that may be watching this that is locked as well, my hair is not freshly my hair is not freshly my hair is not freshly retwisted. I retwisted it maybe about a week ago, so as you can see, yeah, so as you can see, like, yeah, I got some roughish going on. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab that. Oh crap, and I'm just using, you know, just a regular bow, and I am going to set that there. I should have used a rubber band because that's kind of thick. I might take that out and use a rubber band. Actually, yeah, be right back. Alright, so I just got regular, plain little thick black rubber bands that I'm gonna use to hold my hair down. And I have not tried this before. This is my first time attempting this hairstyle. So we're just kind of like going with the flow here. So I'm gonna use this little rubber band, and I kind of want to make it like right on the top of my head, even though it is like on one side. So for right now, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it like that for right now. All right, so let's do the other side. And I don't think this side didn't feel as out of the way. All right, so right now I got a little Minnie Mouse thing going on, Mickey Mouse thing going on. I think for the back, let's keep it straight. Let's keep it straight. Okay, so for this, I think she just like separated the hair into two. So I'm just gonna split this in half, trying to keep it as even as possible. So So I'm just gonna twist it so it'll be more like easier to whatever. Maybe, I don't know, because I wonder if I need to like put a rubber band on this so it'll stay. Let's try. Alright, so the ends are out, and if I let it go, it's gonna unravel, but I can just retwist it, that's fine. Alright, so let's do this one. I don't think this, I don't know, this might work. It might not though. We're gonna see. I'm gonna just rub a band on it. And I'm not doing it right at the ends because my hair is like different lengths down there. And I wanna get all of it. Alright, so we got two little barrel roll type things. And then, alright, so I don't want them huge because like that's massive. Like that. Dang it. I don't know if yeah, no. Let me watch the other girl's video real quick. I might need to take these rubber bands out. I was supposed to make a TikTok too. And okay. What did you do? She didn't show what she did. So she didn't do it like right at the end. That makes sense. Yeah. I think I got it. Okay, let me take these out. Actually, hang on. I'll be right back. So we're back here. I think I'm just going to first of all get those out of my face. And now the first girl, which I don't know if the other girl is or not, but they added another rubber band, like a couple, I was gonna say inches, but not even an inch of the way up. So I'm just gonna add another rubber band here, and I think this just gives it structure. Alright, so we added another rubber band. So just pull it down a little bit, and then that's when you see how it's like actually stuck. Alright, so then she started to roll it, and then do that. And I'm not rolling it all the way down because I don't want it to be huge. Alright, and then we're just gonna make it as big or small. But so I'm gonna take this side and connect it with another rubber band, because why not? Bam. Right, and that's one side, and then the other. Alright, am I twisting it the wrong way or what? Because do that. But I want the hair to go to the back. Right, that don't really look like a heart. It looks more like a bow. Alright, it's looking more like pretzel. So let me take it out again. I'm getting frustrated. Alright, take it out. Maybe let's not roll it at all. Maybe let's not do that. Alright, so it's standing up. Let's just do that. I apologize for not talking, but I don't know if y'all can tell, but this is this is not as easy as it looks. Okay. I thought this would be like a cute, quick, and easy little style, but with my thick hair, it is not wanting to cooperate. That's kind of cute in the screen. In person, it looks kind of crazy. Okay. If I make it a little bit smaller, just like pull some hair. Yeah, what is this little piece right here that ain't wanting to? Alright, I'm gonna just pull this out because I'm gonna wrap it around. And let me pull on this side so it's not so much bigger. Okay. So that little piece that is there, I'm just gonna start in the back because that's where it is. Wrap it around right at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna tuck it. Woo! Right. What y'all think? Cute or no? And then the first girl just had like, she had this part like flipped. I think I'm just gonna lay it down to like try to blend it to the back. We don't see. All right, let's try this side, and then I'm gonna just pull this. Bam. Alright. That one was a little bit easier, but I think I got more hair on this side. I think I got more locks in this ponytail than this one, but it's okay. I'm gonna wrap it around so that bottom rubber band is covered. And if you a lock girl, you know we just rub and tuck for a lot of like our hairstyles. Alright, so now we got I kind of like the little short hairs, like just sticking out there. I kind of like that. It's cute. Alright, so you may have to bobby pin the ones that you used to wrap around, because this little piggy don't want to stay. No, my battery's about to die. Okay, so this is the entire hairstyle. Obviously we just gonna do some baby hairs. Camera has not died yet. Like, it's just flashing, but it ain't cut off yet. And I'm jinxing it, I know. As soon as I get ready to wrap the video, I'm gonna have to go ahead and get my other battery just to do that. I'm trying to make them similar, if not like exactly the same, at least like kind of. Alright, now I'm gonna pull these back down. And yeah, my crazy stuff. Just got up to go look for the other battery because, like I said, as soon as I got ready to wrap up this video, the camera was gonna die on me, right? The battery was gonna die, and it did. So I get up and go look around because I'm trying to find the battery, the extra battery. It was right here, just chilling, right here in my face, and I was getting all panicked and worked up. Like, where the heck did I put it? So this is the final results, the final product. I should have done my makeup, but and this is the back, just really plain, and it's, I mean, it's really cute. Like, I would go out the house looking like this. I don't know about y'all, but I like it. I kind of want to put on some makeup so y'all can see like a done up look for like Valentine's Day. All right, I'll be back. All right, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and put on some makeup for y'all so y'all can see like just the overall like actually finished look, except your girl ain't got no lashes. Like, can somebody donate me some lashes, because I've been out for like a month and I've been struggling because my eyes look so bald. It's giving me very much Valentine's Day. I like it. I don't know if y'all like it or not, but I love this look. The more I keep looking at the hairstyle, I'm falling more and more in love with it. Like, I would literally walk out the door with this hairstyle like right now. And if y'all follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, comment down below or DM me if you see any other hairstyles that you'd like to see me try on my YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. Let me know and I'll definitely try to get those done. I enjoy making these type of videos, especially because a lot of people just don't think that locks are versatile. I don't know why, but people just don't think that you can do a whole lot with locks, and a lot of girls don't get locks because of that reason. I personally love my locks. I have almost converted my entire family. My mama now has locks, my sister, my husband had locks, but he had them first, whatever. I also have an aunt that has locks and a cousin who is considering it. She's on her way to join the gang. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so when next time I post a video, you'll be right on time. All right, y'all, have a good night. Bye.